The NIGO X Nike Air Force 3 Low is back with a fresh take, and the Georgetown-inspired colorway is turning heads. Featuring deep midnight navy tones, this low-top silhouette channels classic college vibes while blending American workwear with Japanese craftsmanship. NIGO's latest redesign draws inspiration from Georgetown University, a school that has long had a relationship with Nike, giving the sneaker a nostalgic nod to the 1980s when the AF3 originally debuted. The release brings subtle details reminiscent of college dorm life during that era, creating a unique mix of retro charm and modern design. While Nike hasn't confirmed a US SNKRS release yet, the Georgetown colorway has already started appearing at international retailers like Foot District and BSTN. For sneakerheads, this pair offers a standout addition to any collection, combining history, style, and the unmistakable touch of NIGO's creative vision. Keep an eye out for this one, it's a must-see for AF3 fans.